The A487 New Ddyfi Bridge scheme is a £32 million investment to improve the resilience of the A487 trunk road in Machynlleth, Powys. The A487 is an important North-South Wales trunk road running from Haverfordwest in the south to Bangor in the north along the West Wales coast. The A487 provides a strategic link to Brosiect Hospital in Aberystwyth for people living in the South Gwynedd area north of the River Ddyfi, but currently is subject to frequent closure due to flooding of the valley. The new scheme comprises a 725 metre long viaduct crossing the Ddyfi Valley and the River Ddyfi itself, with a new junction and link road with the 493 north of the River Ddyfi. This new road will improve access across the River Ddyfi for all modes of transport and will allow for greater employment opportunities, educational and healthcare services, as well as preserving Machynlleth's status as a centre of the community. The scheme is located within a highly sensitive ecological environment.